Anyway, hello. Whatever you want to do, YouTube you. YouTube, Lou.
Hey guys. So we are going to breakfast today.
My customer service voice.
I know, it just sneaks out. It's like my alter ego.
We're gonna go to Delphine Lounge to get some breakfast. We did go out for dinner last night, but that ain't the problem when you're a YouTuber. Anyway, I know, I'd say that'd be the last of the money spent today, but we're also going to go to Primark because we want to go find some clothes. So anyway, we both wanted to do YouTube for a while. Why? But for like different reasons.
Just because I watched it for like 5 years, so I was like, I could do that. I could be a vlogger.
We could do that.
I am class.
We did media A level, and so editing and filming, I like that side of it, but you like the content side of it.
Yeah.
So like, Lou decides the content, and then I'll make the video.
So if it shits on my head.
It's on Lou's head, but hopefully the editing will be on point, but we shall see. What are you going to get for breakfast?
Did you see that guy? He looks like a pirate on the bike.
What?
I hope it was in the camera.
I don't know what was it?
There was a guy on a bike, he looked like a pirate. So funny. What am I going to get for breakfast?
Yeah.
Do you remember that thing I had? I don't even know what it was. It came with like beans.
Diner brunch. With the pancakes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And it
diner
had like
brunch.
mini goodness.
But you couldn't finish it. You do this every morning.
Oh my
Okay,
god,
guys.
my car. You can't see it.
Every time we go out for breakfast, Lou's like, oh my god, I'm so fucking hungry. And then you order the biggest thing there, and then you never finish it. You have like 2 sausages, and you're like, babe, I'm so full.
Do you know why? Because you eat so fast, so I start eating really fast to keep up with you, and then I'm like, oh,
I know, but you
I'm
don't
so
have to, why
digested.
do you have, but there's no need to keep up with me. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat it.
But I don't want you to be sat there eating while you're just sitting watching. I mean, like, oh, I'm so hungry, I could eat enough man.
Another man. Like I've already eaten one man for today. What else are we gonna do today, babe?
Buy some clothes because I look like a Patrick Star in this jumper. Look at my body.
And
And
go to the gym. Yeah.
I had to go to gin, which means go to the pub and get in bed.
You don't drink gin.
I drank gin last night.
A sip of mine. I'd like to go to the gym today, but my lady ain't going to the gym. You like the gym every time. I'm like, babe, let's go do some exercise. Let's go for a cycle, or let's go for a walk, or the gym. And you're like, oh my god, I fucking hate the gym. And then we get there, and you're like, babe, let's go again. Give me some spinach. Bless you.
Did you see that? Special events Paul Key, that means the fireworks are back. Post Tuesday nights. Yes!
So we've just got to Delphino Lounge.
And there's literally someone who looks identical to mine.
Wait,
Mate, no, even the way that he's moving.
can you see him? Oh my days.
Mine looks like such a letdown compared to
I know, one looks amazing. Oi!
Sorry, I'm just going to nibble. Oh, that's real good.
I know, look at that. So we have made our way to Primark after our monstrous breakfast.
All you do in Primark is follow me around and then say, oh, you look good in that, and pick the horrible thing.
Well, this is the thing. Lou would look stunning in literally everything.
I would not.
So like, she put that on. Yeah, that's real cute.
I like that.
It should look amazing. And then like, put this on, whatever it is, and she'd look fly. But then
Sorry,
you'd be
that
like,
was really
ugh,
cute.
that's disgusting. Whatever I pick out, she doesn't like.
Actually, pick weird things.
I literally don't.
like
I literally pick really nice things. You're gonna get it.
I don't like the colour as much
Babe, that's her favourite. Light blue is her favourite colour.
But it's like washed out, like. It's like you fresh out of the hospital. Okay, so I continue to look by myself because Hermione has no control over her bladder and has gone to the toilet in M&S. So I'm just walking around by myself, pretending that I like this clothes because I know what to do. I'm trying to hide in the corner upstairs to the back so that Hermione can't find me because I am a child and I find it funny. I think I just heard Hermione coming upstairs, so I'm hiding in a corner. She's gone over there. Off she goes. Little does she know I'm over here. I spent all day looking for one of these.
Lou's annoyed because she's finally found a jacket she likes, a red denim one. And she said, do you like it? And I was like, it's a bit bright. And now she's put it back. And she's not going to buy it just because I thought it was bright. Just buy it. You've been looking for it for ages. Just
like
because.
it.
So? Why is that good?
Nice.
Why not? You look good in everything. I like
I'm
everything.
not
you
actually
want.
100% on that one either because I want a cropped one.
Are you just
not-
saying that because I don't like it?
No, I actually did want a cropped one. I don't want the full length because otherwise it's not funny. I don't like a child. If they're a cropped one and you high waist back jeans.
Calling all students. We're giving you 20% off when you spend £30 or more.
I thought that was on my mind.
Got the
Where are
bag.
your clothes?
Those ones on top of my clothes.
This one.
Yeah. We've got the same thing.
Oh. What? The exact same top?
No. We've all got a pocket.
Right, you have to do yours. Or them.
You have to start.
Okay, well I'll start because we've just been shopping and bought some clothes.
Neither.
Okay, so I got this top, which is just a stripy navy and white t-shirt with a little pocket because it's cute. I wanted the yellow one, but Hermione said that blue would be nicer. So Hermione dictates
Doesn't mean you
my
have to get it though. No, I don't.
This is actually men's, but it's very soft. So I
Okay.
got that one.
I partially got the same version, although it doesn't have
Should
a
we compare?
pocket. Yours has got more white on it.
More you would.
More white.
I feel like it's his and hers. And then I also got this one from the women's, which is a little bit cropped, and it says "The future is yours, escort the world," and a little heart, which is very cute. And it's made from organic cotton, so technically I'm saving the environment. And I also saved money because the woman on checkout was really nice. I signed up to this account thing because I just am weak when it comes to
You just
people.
can't say no.
Yeah.
Or order things.
The only person I can say no to is Big Issue, and that's probably quite savage. Or when I think about it, goes to my
We saw a
phone.
Big Issue person in Bournemouth last time we were there, and he was like, "He wants to buy a Big Issue. It's going to fund my alcohol for
Yeah.
tonight." And we're like, "No one's
It
going
was
to buy
like, it's
one if
Saturday
you're
night,
saying
I'd be
that."
sad if I was sober, and I was like, be sad if you were homeless, but here we
Yeah.
are. So then we also went to Primark, and I
Primark.
got this, which is just so cute, don't you think? It's like ribbed, little crop. Huh? Ribbed for her pleasure, indeed. And it says any moment now, but I just thought the writing was really cute, and you can just tuck that into like your blue jeans, you can tuck it into your. You
gonna
could just
look
wear it
fly.
with your black skinnies, a skirt, but I just think it's very cute, don't you? And
Delightful.
that's a bargain as well. I think it was like
How much was it?
£4. But because it's white and like skin tight and strappy, I had to buy a black. Why is she just staring at us? Hi.
Oh, the guy did get out of the car.
Yeah. He looks like a spud. Oh, vape niche. What's a lesbian? I hate
We
this
also
whole concept.
thoroughly enjoy people watching, but we're very judgmental. For those of you guys who don't live in Poole, it's a bit scabby. So, in the bus station, like, there's a gang. When we were like 14, when I was 14, I was one of the emos that hung out at the bus station. I live in Swanage, but I'd get the bus over with my mates, just hang out at the bus station and be those emos that intimidated everybody. But now it's young chavs. He looks a bit like Joe. It's young chavs that have puffer jackets on and those shitty little fanny packs up here with their baccy in them, and there's like 11-year-olds walking around smoking. Excuse me, and you get such a variety of spazzes.
When I was 14, I was the kid that would walk through the bus station after getting the bus with my friends because we wanted to get a shake away or something, and I'd have to walk past the emos, and I'd never be so scared in my entire life. Like, they would just sit there in their gangs. I'll probably walk past you once.
Probably.
And they just think they're with the shit. I recognise him, and he looks like a lizard. Is he alright?
And there's another couple that I see around Poole all the time, and they're like older, like at least late 60s. And in the shopping centre there's benches every like few metres for just old people to sit down on. And I see them every now and again, and they're always on a different bench, and they're making out. Have you seen them?
Wait.
They make out all the time.
Small.
The lady's really small, but it's not just making out. They're like properly, like passionately
That might as well
getting it on. But then he is doing this in between her legs, and I'm like, you're in a public space. Have you not seen that?
No, I haven't seen him doing that.
You're in a public space, and he's literally just wanking her off.
Unless he just working.
It's just Paul, you know. It's good old Paul.
I got a cheap Primark t-shirt. It's just one of the basic little tops.
I love
It cost me £2.50. I got it in an extra small, and it's really cute.
As a
It
small
has
lady.
little bees and bugs on, and it says "Don't bug me." It's just a pink pale t-shirt. You can tuck that into your jeans or wear it to bed. You know, I just thought that was really cute.
I enjoy that colour.
He's gone.
He's gone, whip out the bra.
Right, so I got this pack of 2 bras. Just ignore the small boob size. And it's just really cute. They're like, it's like a little crop top kind of thing with no straps. I can wear it with
They're all cute.
this sort of top.
And they're wireless, so they'd be super cool.
Yeah, and I think it's gonna be real. Well, I thought you were
I
hiding
was
it. I was like,
just
yes. So, chuff with them. Keep them nips away. Then I got this bra from Primark, which is £2.50, because all of Primark bras are just so comfy. And this one's got really nice back, like it's got this little strappy thing. Again, ignore the small titty size.
Small titty.
But it's like really cushiony, and it's a t-shirt bra, which are the comfiest kind, and it makes your boobies look well nice, and that old band is back. And then this is yours, for you to talk about.
It's on.
We've got so many receipts in here. This is yours.
Mm-hmm.
And that's all. Oh, I also bought a silver nose ring in Claire's, because we're going to change my little stud to a ring when we get back to yours.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to stick my finger up her nose and change her nose ring.
If that ain't love, I don't know what it is.
I don't know how I'm going to do it though, because they screw it on with the little pliers.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to get the pliers out.
No. Do you know what I did to get my seconds out? Because it's the same kind of concept. I got metal cutters, I just snipped them and they pinged off, so I don't know where they went.
I unscrewed mine. Anyway, the university bus is here. This is what I got. I know it's not late May, is it? Mid-May, and then we're heading summer ways, but this was in the sale and I really liked it, and I like green, and it's my favourite kind of green, and it's a really nice sweater, so I got that, and it was half price.
It was £5.
£5!
It's a lot 10.
And then for the summer, light blue shorts. I have light blue jeans that I never wear because they're a very, very weird size, and I don't know what it is about jeans. I don't know whether I just have tree trunk legs, but like men's jeans fit perfectly around my bum, which I don't get because I've got hips, but then they just don't fit my legs. They're just too small. I don't get it. So I got some light blue jeans instead, because hopefully they'll fit me a bit better. And I also got another white t-shirt from H&M. It's got a skateboarding on it, a skateboarding guy on it. It's got a skateboarding on it. And it says keep up the good vibes, because I pretend that I skateboard when
I
really
actually do have 2 penny boards at
I
home.
can street surf. But I can't skateboard.
I don't know what street surf is.
Waveboard? What else are they called?
Oh, waveboard. When you were like 12 years old in the playground.
Yeah, the ones with 2 wheels where you wiggle the back. I used to be a fucking whiz at that. The back wheel and the back truck of my one had melted down till the metal because I was skidding down the road. Because that's an absolute pro. And I also got the version without a pocket, same kind of thing as Lou's. And I got a snack that I ate, and I got some water. And that is my haul for today. And now it's home time. We?
Actually, Mum just texted me and we have to go and get a prescription.
Babe.
Let's go. Wait.
Yay.
We got the drugs, guys.
We're just chilling in the doctor's surgery, so we had to get Lou's mum's meds.
She has so many meds that they were like, which ones are you after? And I was like,
All of them.
They're like, how many should it be? I was like, well, knowing her, it's more than 3 different types. And then he was like, yep. I was like, okay.
And we're just chatting about all the times we've been to the GP and feeding cups. I had to do that once. I had this pain where my appendix is for like months, and it just wouldn't go away. But I clearly don't have appendicitis because I'm fine. But we don't know what it was. I had to pee in a cup and it was gross.
Oh, it's probably yummy.
And then, like, I think I have iron deficiency, but I'm too scared of needles to have a blood test. So I just take iron multivitamins and hope for the best. And they seem to be doing okay, so I'm alright.
I think you should just get a blood test.
I think I should get a blood test. I'll just put you up here.
Just get fucking story time.
Story time. So they set everyone up in the lecture theatre, and then, so there'd be 3 different people, you'd come in and say your name, and then there'd be a little like, sectioned off bit that had, like, curtains or boards around it with a mat, so if you were lightheaded or anyone was feeling gross or something, you just go lie down for 5 minutes. And I remember I was waiting for everybody, like, because my last name begins with a Q, I was quite far back.
I'm sorry, you're just chatting for England. Carry on.
Well, I'm
Your
just
story
telling my
took about
story.
half an hour.
I know. So, and I was like, I'll be fine. I'm just a bit nervous, but I'll be fine. And then when she said, "Can I have your name, please?" I just like burst into tears. And then I had both my injections because I did like one in each arm at the same time. And then I was like, right, I feel like shit. So I went and lay down. And then Ruby was there on the mats as well, and she was crying. And then I just started hysterically laughing. And I was like, Ruby, what's wrong? And I was literally pissing myself. And she was in bits. I don't know. I was just in hysterics, but like the different kind of hysterics. I was literally laughing so hard as she was sobbing. And I was like, I'm trying to make you feel better, but I literally can't because I'm laughing so hard.
Let's think. I've never really been to the doctors that much. I haven't had problems, apart from my spine.
I've had asthma.
Yeah, but that was good. I don't really remember that.
But then I had to go to A&E a few times because I split my knee open. I had to get that stitched up.
Ooh,
I passed out because of the needles. I
open.
passed out.
I've been concussed so many times I've lost count.
Got this nice.
I've done a tour.
Scar.
I've done a tour of hospitals in the UK with head injuries.
Really?
So bad that I went to A&E one time and they pulled out the wrong notes and were talking about the wrong incident because I've just had so many head injuries. They're like, "Sir, you hit your head on the table." I was like, "No, got a headbutt at a bonfire."
You got headbutted at a bonfire?
It was a school thing, you know, those like proper children with the like ADHD.
Proper children.
Problem
children with ADHD. Excuse me.
No, but the ones that would like cause shit and throw tables at teachers.
Like Ian.
Huh?
Like Ian.
Yeah, but worse. There was one of those, and he was like running around like an absolute knob jockey and headbutt me because he fell, and I have concussion.
Damn.
I know.
I've never had a head injury. Actually, when I was like 6 months old, I fell over onto a sharp stone and cut my head open. And I also had a scar here, but it's like either gone up into my hairline.
A scar.
It's nice. I like this one.
You can't see it because I can cover over your butt. It's quite prominent.
Yeah, this scar's gone. And I did have a scar on my cheek. I still have it somewhere. It's like in the middle here. From when I was 1 day old, and because baby's nails are so sharp, I just scratched my face and it's just scarred. And then I went to a party, Eddie Stuckey's party, when I was like 16, got absolutely fucking mortaled, woke up with a scratch on my face, and that scarred as well.
You don't even drink anymore, you're boring.
I know. And I've also got a scar on my thumb from a cheese grater, and I have a little mark on my thumb from a jellyfish. Crispy. There's my foot. Louise hates Crispin but loves to lose.
Yes, because they're the best. Look at you, a big fluffy boy.
He ran away. Look at my boys and my messy room. I'm sorry about my messy room.
No, you're not. You're never going to change. Best, gorgeous kitty cat. Look at you. You're going to lie down and flip on the belly, flip on the belly, flip on the belly. No. There. Hey.
He's so fat. Crispy.
The news. Yes, boy. Oh, the little bum. Look at that belly. And I have the belly. Oh, gorgeous boy. Look at you. You're the softest thing I ever touched. Yeah.
Crispin just sniffed my foot and walked away.
You're a fluffy little baby. Fluffy baby. Fluffy baby.
Are you good?
Fluffy baby. Fluffy
Look at those toe beans.
You were the cutest boy.
Cool, that's intense.
What?
Crispin cleaning his toe.
Flexing. What?
Crispin. So Louise just got out the shower. And she just started dancing. Butt naked. And I swear to God, this is all she...
That's supposed to do it.
Yeah, fine. No, do that thing picture against your nose. Like that.
I don't think that's gonna work.
Where the pliers at?
No, that ain't happening.
Yeah,
okay.
Got it. Is that twisting the whole thing? Yeah.
That already hurts. Yeah, it already hurts my nose. Get off.
I don't know how.
Yeah.
I could cut it. That's got
Is
cutters
it
on
this
it.
bit that needs to come off? Which bit is the bit? No. Can you be gentle?
I could cut it off.
Go on.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Babe, can you be careful?
Yes, of course I'm gonna be careful.
Just cut right at the end. Don't get too close to my face.
I
I managed to do my nose ring. As soon as Hermione left the room.
Yeah, I left. I went to the loo. I came back and she'd done it, and I was like, "Fuck off."
I just didn't need you interfering.
And now we just got to do fuck all until I have to go to work. I don't want to go to work. Like a shit pub. I've got to go to work.
Long. I'm a lot more alive and fresher than when you lost me in the car because I was a mess. So we're going to stop for snack.
We're going to stop for a snack. We're going to get to Co-op on the way, get a meal deal.
That fucking parcel from really.
I'm sorry, because 6 till 1 AM, need some goodness. I don't eat anything from the Swan. One of my staff members has had a sickness bug, and I'm fucking terrified I'm going to get it. He's going to be around tonight, because he's going to be doing the karaoke shit. Yeah, he should be. Don't want him to though, because if I get sick I will punch him.
So what country did Alaska belong to prior to 1867? The Witan was the name for a parliament held by which early people in Britain? So the Witan was the name for...
I got a brand new combine
Scottish life! Whoa!
I know. Best lighting ever. Anyway, good morning again.
It's literally the
It's
morning.
1:45. and I've just finished work and we've dropped Ben home.
We are living a dream.
We are living the dream, and I've got to do this 5 times in a row this week.
But I'll be there.
My lady will be there to
3.
cheer me on as I troop through.
I'll be sat there
Through the
drinking
shite.
Carlings. Going, God, baby, you got this. Fight those druggos.
Fight the druggos. There was someone smoking in the men's today.
Yeah, Ben told me.
It smelled so strong. I don't know who it was.
He thought it was Jamie, so he went in to catch him, and it wasn't Jamie.
No, it wasn't, because it was there.
earlier on.
No, it was there after Jamie left as well.
But no one went in other than Ben and Joe. It wasn't Joe.
It was Ben.
Plot twist, it was Joe who spoke.
But anyway, this has been our first vlog, and I apologise if it's absolutely shite.
It might
But
be real long. 'Cause you're probably
Yeah, it's probably really long, and I'm sorry I'm in the dark right now, but you're just gonna have to deal with it because I can't be fucked. Let's turn the light on.
absolutely savage. Ooh, that is probably not very flattering.
Never mind. It's really bad quality because it's dark, so I'm very sorry. But we're probably going to try to do a vlog once a week, and maybe some other stuff every day.
Indeed.
We will try. We both have very different work schedules, so we'll just have to,
Compromise.
yeah, and
Well,
find
no,
time.
Sunday and Monday we have days off together. You're just working in the evening.
And the morning, we've got B&B.
Yeah, but that's smart. I could have done that. I'm
True.
still good.
Anyway, we shall see you guys soon, and I hope you enjoyed this probably quite long vlog. I'll edit it and put it up as soon as I can. But we shall see you next time.
Wish I need.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.